Oh, come on, tape. I'm still having trouble getting that tape off of this. It's called a fidget cube. And before you go, oh, you're just following the trend, I actually like the fidget cube and the fidget spinner because I have ADHD and I have stress, and some people would say I have anxiety due to my RSD and short-term memory loss. And Jade has autism and may or may not end up having ADHD or ADD. But her father is ADD and I have ADHD. So it is in her genes. Now, will she get it? I don't know. Will she have a higher chance? Yes. Just like she had a higher chance of having dyslexia. Right now, it doesn't seem like she has it too badly, or if she does, it's not as bad as mine. Why? What is this thing? The tape even... Did the tape come off? At all. Like this side. Okay. What is going on with this thing? Okay, so that side's now good. It's this side that needs to be cut more. Mine was so much easier. I don't know why, but it was. Ugh. Really? Why is this? Well, I finally got it out. It took quite some time though, but I got it out. And I guess like it goes like this maybe. And then you can just like carry it in this case if you want. Like. Wait. Oh no. Maybe not put it in the case. I don't know. It's really up to Jade if she wants the case. Okay, so this is Jade's. I got her the pink and white, and she's the, it works exactly like mine. And so I got the white and blue, she got the pink and white. Wonder, well, that was easy. Like, mine was much easier. Wonder how easy it'd be to get off. Like, this one's mine. It's really up to Jade if she wants hers, but hers clicks just as well. This moves just as good. This rotates. Ball spins. Yeah, this is pretty cool too. So I will be right back. I got a question for y'all.